Whoa, hey guys, Dizzy1369, Monday, November 22nd, 2021, 1:34 p.m. It looks like we got a seagull chowing on a fish. Look at this guy. Hey, zoom. 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 It's not zooming. Why aren't you zooming? Why aren't you zooming? What do you got there, buddy? Look at him dive. Wow. I bet you wish one of these other guys I just dived like nothing, eh? Oh, don't let it get away. Phenomenal, wow. Now that's working for your meal. Why don't you zoom though? What's wrong with the zoom? There's a zoom. Yeah. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's just the young gun too. He still got his young gun markings. His juvenile feathers. Tail feathers. I think he's got his pink legs though. Now it's bath time after all that. There's still a lot more in there. Are you done? Did you have your snack? Look at him. And he's off. So that was really cool. Oh, and a couple of wood ducks. Let's end the frame with these end the video with these wood ducks. There's one. Oh, and is that a grebe? Oh, I think that's a grebe. That might be a grebe. Is that a grebe? Hello, cool looking bird. Why are you not zooming again? I think these are the winter western grebes. Oh, just disappeared under the water. See, that's what the seagulls probably wishing he could do. Where are they gonna come up? I don't know, but ciao for now, guys. That was really cool.